Yeah, this is quite a rare sight. Got the truck washed over the weekend, and then today I got the Mustang washed. Both my vehicles are actually clean. This is quite rare. This will probably never happen again. You can actually now tell what color the wheels are on the Mustang. Now, let's just hope it doesn't rain out Cars and Coffee on Saturday, because I'm going to Cars and Coffee with this car. I know a couple videos ago I said I was going to go to 2 car shows. Well, unfortunately I didn't have time for the first one, but I will go to Cars and Coffee if the weather is good. What is going on, YouTube? Tom here, and don't worry, when I leave Cars and Coffee, I promise I'll be good. I'm not going to try hitting crowds. I don't want to be that Mustang guy on the internet. Now, also, a couple videos ago, I said I was debating some more lighting mods. Well, I decided, you know what? Enough talking about it, let's go ahead and do it. So, I decided to get Diode Dynamics Interior Light Conversion Kit. Now, it's important to note, this is for a 15 to 17 Mustang, not a 2018. The only reason it's not for an 18, and I verified this, is the trunk light is already LED from the factory now. So, basically you need one less actual bulb. Now, I decided to go with the Stage 2 because it is a little bit brighter. Figured, when in doubt, I want brightness. I don't mind paying a little extra for brightness. So, at the end of the day, I priced it out on the Diode Dynamics website. If I had ordered every bulb separately, it would have been $40 plus $9 shipping. So right there, you're looking already at basically $50, and that's not even including possible sales tax. And I went on Amazon, primed, 2-day shipping tax-free, for $50 for these, plus I went ahead and had some points to apply, so if anything, it was a whole hell of a lot cheaper. Would have broken even on Amazon, and then with points. Now, with the taillight sequencers, that was the last mod I did to this car. They're also from Diode Dynamics. I know I had problems with them. Some of y'all might remember that. Now, I contacted Diode Dynamics, went through their warranty, and I, of course, got another set that worked. So the reason I went with Diode Dynamics isn't necessarily the reliability of the product, it's the value of that warranty. Even if these bulbs are, let's say hypothetically all 8 of these are bad, I can just contact them, no questions asked. They fix it under warranty, and to be honest, that to me says a lot. Also, these are bulbs. I don't feel like you can screw up making light bulbs. But, never know. And even if one of these is bad, because I don't have to deal with a trunk light, I'll have a spare, because 4 of these are, you know, they got 2 for the map, 1 for Glovebox, and 1 for trunk, and they're all the same bulb, so that means if one of these are bad, I have a spare anyway. I've been watching some install videos, and of course this actually doesn't look like it's that difficult to do. Famous last words. But kind of the consistent set of tools I've noticed you'll need is some form of plastic trim tool or spudger. In my case, I just use $6 Amazon spudgers. They never let me down. A set of small screwdrivers, possibly flathead if you don't have the spudger. You can get these at hardware stores for next to nothing, or even Amazon. These came from a yard sale. And a set of needle nose pliers. So I'm gonna move you all over here, I guess. I don't really know where to put the camera. In fact, I don't even know if the GoPro can see what's going on right now, but I don't even know where to put the GoPro, but good enough. There's already other install videos and some semi-how-tos, so I guess I'm not really going to focus on that. I suck at making a how-to video. So you can see you got this little switch here to activate it when you open it. Of course, these bulbs are probably already hot. Not too bad. Just don't like... That's the problem I have with incandescent bulbs, is they get so hot all the time. I feel like they're impossible to work with. I guess this is where needle nose pliers would come in handy right about now. Now, quick tip for when you put the bulbs in. You put them in, test it, make sure it works. If not, flip it around, because LEDs, they're always directional. $50% probability. It's like flipping a coin when you put LEDs in. Boom, that's one. Let's try a second one. Nope. Lucky twice. Well, that works. Alright, once you have that, of course, you just go ahead and you put mirror assembly back in. Boom, boom. Take a screw and our screwdriver. Alright, so now that we got that done, I can show you all the finished product. God, I love the look of LEDs. Yeah, I know you all are really close to my face right now. Of course, that's the after. Of course, this is before we get this sort of yellowish haze, which it's not bad looking, but it just looks like already like it's worn out. This looks good in my opinion. Yeah, I know you all can see me in the mirror here. My good old mug. But yes, I personally very strongly believe this is the way it should come factory. Alright, now for the overhead compartment map light deal. If I can even get this off. Well, got one. There we go. Got one off. Yeah, pulling helps. Alright, let's see if I can get in here on this side, find that same little clip. Definitely helps. Sometimes you do just have to use some brute strength. Oops, that's the map light on. Trying to find that same little clip I found. Definitely helped. It's not even that it just requires strength, it just requires a sense that you won't feel like you're gonna break everything. Ah. There we go. And there we go. Sometimes it requires a mix of tactics and also some brute strength. I think it's pretty simple from there. You just pull the little thing out. I'm sure you... Ow, that one's hot because it got turned on. And the car's been outside, so it's probably getting baked under the sun. And now suddenly the other one doesn't want to come out. I love how one comes out and the other doesn't. There it comes, sort of. This is hot. It's not that bad. Not too hot. I don't even know which of these bulbs are which. Of course, they're all basically the same. That's the wrong end. Let's see here. Hey, we got one right today. Get this one back in. Woo! Now, another reason I really like the Diode Dynamics bulb over like an eBay bulb, of course, you got this little lens on top of it that helps disperse light everywhere as if it was an actual incandescent bulb. It's most LEDs, they really are directional. That's actually a bit of genius design there. Let's make sure. Are we lucky twice? Hey-oh! We're lucky! It's a good day. Boom! That works like a charm. Now, to slide this back into place. Okay. That's all the way pushed in. Okay. And my airbag is on because I'm sitting in the passenger seat. Let's pick you all up again. Look at that. Now I think that right there just changed it a whole lot right there. A more cheap incandescent dome light, because this also kind of doubles as your dome light in this car. Alright. Now, for what I honestly would for sure recommend saving for last, since it's kind of the most inconvenient to get to, that's the glove box. Oh. Ow. Yep, somehow. This one probably should come out too. Get your little owner's manual box in this car. If I can even get a grip on this bulb here. That's the problem. This one's just going to be a pain in the living bum to get out right. Let's try this then. Try this. Problem is with this one, the thing bends so easily. Like the tip just broke off. Still recommend these. $6. Oh, there it goes. There we go. Ow, that's hot. And sure enough, I knocked over the bulbs again. Hey, come on, luck. Are you gonna be on my side again? Am I gonna be able to get this in right? Nope. 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 Got it. Nope. Shit. What did I hit? Damn it. I think I may have broken it. Really hope it didn't. No, I didn't break it. Oh, this one's a pain in the butt because you're doing it blind, too. Oh, is that the way it goes? That might be the way it goes instead. There it goes. That's the way to do it. Okay. Yeah, this one's annoying because you kind of are doing it blind. But there, we got it in. Alright. See, that's why I attempted to do it with air conditioning on, so I could at least not sweat so much. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put the glove box back on. And I'm going to do this, the last one, off camera, because it's identical to the other one. Now, same thing, you pop the lenses off, unscrew it. Easy enough. But, of course, it's now 5 o'clock. I'm going to go inside, I'm going to get some dinner. I'm going to come back out at nighttime, I'm going to show you all again so you all can see. But, like I said, I'm going to see you all tonight. Alright. So I promised I would come back out at nighttime. Let you all get a look at it at night. I mean, as you can see, it's pretty bright. Honestly, I actually think it's brighter than the bulbs I used in the Tacoma. Because I'm in here right now, and it honestly feels almost like it's daytime. There's these map lights, they're pretty bright. These vanity lights, they actually do something now. You can see yourself in the mirror pretty well. Turn these back on so you all can see me, and then of course the glove box light actually does something. So I can actually use these and film in this car at night. Now, I will say one thing about it. Turn on the auxiliary mode in the car. if you have these on at the same time as you have your My Color lights on, they sort of overpower the My Color for sure. Now this is the Stage 2 unit. Oh, well, you all can see the My Color. Now this is the Stage 2 unit, which is the brighter set. So if you were worried about overpowering the My Color, I would recommend just not going down to the Stage 1 set, which isn't as bright. It's also a little bit cheaper. Now I went with the cool white because I figured I want this to be practical, but you can also get this in a variety of colors from Diode Dynamics. You can get it in red or blue. If you got, the only problem is then you have to go on their website. You can only get the red or blue, I believe, from Amazon, and of course white. So kind of limited on your choices, but to me, this product working as well as it does, this definitely made up, in my mind, for the previous experience I had with Diode Dynamics. These definitely work very well. They look amazing, and honestly, I recommend this fully for anyone who's in the market to mod a Mustang, because this looks good. Oops, went off on me here. So, gets a thumbs up from me. I definitely would be doing this mod again. So, let me know in the comment section below what you all think about these. Do you think this is something worth doing? If anyone else has done this, definitely let me know, because I want to hear your experience with these lights. If you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. And if you're stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe. Anyway, take care. Have a good day.